Good day, my YouTube family. You're welcome back to Convisi Farms, your organic farming channel. New subscribers, you are welcome. So today I'm showing you the 3 stages of yam growth. That's the yam sack farming. It starts from the sprouting stage after your planting. From there, it now graduates to the when the leaves start growing on the vines. Yeah, this is when the leaves are started growing on the vines. So from this stage, it now graduates to when the leaves on the vines become mulch. That's why you actually need to have strong stake. You have to actually make your stake to be very strong, to be able to accommodate the vines, the weight of the vine, so that it doesn't collapse. So if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, so that we can grow together on this YouTube space, and others will also learn from these organic tips I'll be sharing on this channel. God bless you, and thank you for watching. Bye bye, and take charge. Enjoy your day. Thank you.